In this video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. First thing you need to do is open a web browser of your choice and go to netflix.com. And of course, don't forget to sign in. And once you're signed in, scroll up to the top right and wait for the drop down arrow to appear and click account. Now you'll need to scroll all the way down to edit settings here and click edit settings. Now in this page, we're going to have to scroll down a bit more and look for, in the preferences section, playback settings and click playback settings. Now here we are. We have autoplay and transitions. You have autoplay next episode, applies to all devices, and the radio button is currently checked and we click to turn it off. Just right underneath it, there's autoplay previews. Applies to all devices and repeat the same. Turn that slider to off. And your preferences have been updated. It's that simple. And there you are, and that's how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. If you found this video helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe even turn on the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when another video is live on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.